Lift it up, put it right back down, and we have a glueless unit. Have you ever seen a texture like this in a color? Where? KLAIYIHAIR. This unit is a 13x4, guys, and it comes with a little bit of tape on the ear tap section, which I absolutely love. Now, I want to make sure that you got to clean this area off. You want this tape to be very sticky so that it also gives you that glueless effect after. So once I pop this unit off, the next time I wear this unit, it's going to be very, very much so glueless. The tape is still going to be very, very tacky. So I always recommend make sure you clean that ear tab area off so that it's a nice clean surface. Now, obviously, everything's done with this unit. It did come to me in a side part. The color of this unit is gorgeous, by the way, guys. Y'all see that root and then that berry curl? Very, very gorgeous. I was super excited when they sent this to me because you guys know next month is my December birthday month. So I wanted something that, you know, I could wear on my trip. You guys know I like to be somewhere hot in the winter, especially during my birthday. That's like my go-to thing. So I thought this color would be really, really nice. So I'm super excited to have it. And shout out to KLAIYIHAIR for sponsoring today's video, guys. Also, happy holidays to everyone. And make sure you guys go ahead and catch all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals and holiday deals in general. Y'all gonna wanna get your hands on this one right here. So, obviously everything else is pretty much done. It's pre-cut, pre-everything. There is like a little bit of extra lace right here, which I'll just kind of like snip this little piece of lace off. It's your preference. Whatever you wanna do, you could do. For me, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little bit of this little extra right here because I don't need it. I really don't need it. So I'm gonna cut it off. Another thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and get these little sides together. So I'm going in right now with my Fenty Beauty foundation powder in the number 450, and I'm just lining it up at the, like I said, just powdering the hairline just to make sure that everything matches very seamlessly with me and my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and powder it up. Obviously this lace is super good. Look at that, my beauty mark. My beauty mark is right here. Where is it at? My beauty mark is right here, and you guys can see it right through the lace. Like that's all. That's how you know when a lace good. Okay, if you can see my beauty mark, that's how you know they did a good job on the lace. So I'm not gonna powder this part yet because I want to take the tape off, the cover for the tape. But we're just gonna get around the edges to get it really nice. This is a kind of curly, wavy texture, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do baby hairs, but you guys know me. Yeah, know me. All right, y'all. So obviously the wig is adjusted. Again, this unit comes already pre-cut and everything, and the wig fits your head to the T. So I didn't have to customize no ear tabs or do any of that extra stuff. Just make sure you adjust the wig all the way through. Everything's perfect. And then again, you just gonna go ahead and pull it down. So very simple. I'm not gonna do too much. Just pull it down. Like, that's it. Like, come, guys, look how easy that was. Like, I'm really loving these 13x4s that are this glueless with a little bit of tape on the side. Like, it's not doing too much, it's not doing anything. It's like the perfect, like this is like so perfect. And I kid y'all not, watch when I lift this up and put it back down, y'all like, what? Like, it's just make sure you clean the area. I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder. I would recommend powder. Don't add any type of liquid foundation or concealer because it's gonna make the tape not sticky anymore. So just put like a little bit of powder on against the tape and then keep it pushed, okay? All right, y'all, so I got where I want the baby hairs to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and just hot comb this part back like this. I'm gonna do a small baby hair right here, and then I'm gonna do kind of like a big swooper right here. I do like the side part look. I feel like the side part look is eating up, so I think I'm gonna stick with side part on this. I'll probably just show you guys, I don't know, we'll see. Let me stop flapping my hands. But I do think the side part is gonna look good. You know, I'm not gonna cut these too short because I always make a mistake and make it too short. So I'm gonna do a long this time just for safety because I don't, girl, I be messing that part up. So got my little curler. I'm gonna do like a little bit of a curl. It is wavy curly hair, so it will do a nice baby hair. It's automatically gonna do it just because of the texture of the curl, so of the hair. So yeah, do a little swiggy wiggy. Just like that. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and put product in it because there's nothing else to do. The hair is gorgeous. It's pre-packaged, but I'm gonna go ahead and amplify the curls up a little bit, mainly in the top area because I want the top area to show, you know, like a little bit more, you know, body in the top. The packaged curls obviously are super pretty. But I just snatched that all the time. The packaged curls are super pretty, but I want to just redefine like these top and middle area in the root area just so that I can look super, super natural. But you guys can see, look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap the top here. I don't want it to look too humpy. I want to kind of get it to stay like a little down. I usually just tap it like ridges at the top so that it looks like curl pattern still. Y'all gotta get them going. We don't want them to look super flat. So you guys kind of see how up here is a little bit flat. So what I would do after putting the product in is just tap it like that so that it looks like there's like a curl ridge in it, like a crimp in a way. So, okay. So what I'm gonna do now, again, I'm not gonna do, for this, you know, I didn't even think about I did think about it, but I think for like the sideburn area, I'm just gonna leave like a piece out. I don't have the urge to make like a, no, we don't need it. Like we don't need all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this up in this front and literally water in just the rooted area because I feel like the rooted area needs to be activated a little bit. So I'm gonna just do it. You see that in the root area? You see how this curl is beautiful. Oof, gorgeous. So we want to really get it active so we can activate that pattern up here so it's not all like loosey, you know what I mean? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a little bit of water in the other areas because the hair just, you know, just in product just to kind of keep it nice and, you know, tamey and looking nice. I'm going to go and activate that. Look at that. Oh God, you guys see that? It's so pretty. So I'm gonna spray the top as well too. We want to get all the top rooted area. We want it all to kind of like look good. Obviously there's some areas right here that are a little bit frizzed, so I'm gonna just do like a nice light spray over it. Because the hair package is beautiful, we don't want to ruin that. We want to just put a little water on it, but don't go crazy, you know? There we go. So I'm about to go ahead with a little bit of TGIN. I don't know if there's, how do you pronounce this? I don't know. My girl uses this, so I was using my girlfriend stuff. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my hand and kind of like focus on the front. Again, because the packaging the packaging curls on the bottom is super curly, but obviously as you guys seen, I wet it, and the roots is the same texture. You just have to put the water in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back like this, and I'm gonna add a little bit of product because this product is actually really good for curly hair and natural hair. It really kind of like gives the hair a nice like kind of like almost gel type of vibe. Like, so I'm gonna put that into the roots because we want that part to stay activated up here, you know, just in the root area. And then I'm gonna do it on this side as well too, at the top and here. Again, I'm not gonna do any sideburns because you don't, look at that, what you need sideburns for? Look at that pretty hair. You just let it rock out like that, you know, just let it rock out like that. I like it a lot. Do you guys see how beautiful this hair is? Are y'all kidding me? So I'm gonna go ahead and just clip it like this. Just in the high sections and all the way through right here. Let me grab the other clip that fell on the ground. And then I'm gonna clip this part right here like this. And that's basically gonna help like the front curls kind of like really dry out nicely. And even the top area right here, you're kind of like bunching it together just to make sure that it has the look that you want. We want it to stay nice and wavy. So I'm gonna let this hair dry a little bit, guys. Again, I'm gonna just leave this section like that. I don't even need to cut that. Maybe I will. Let me just do a little short. You know me. So I'm gonna just go ahead and trim this part right here, just a little baby here or sideburn here. Work up. You know, just with the sideburns, just to give you like a little flare. So I'll let the hair air dry, and this is the finished look. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I absolutely love this. It is very, very pretty. The dark roots definitely does it for me. I feel like the dark roots just make it look very, very realistic. As you guys can see, this is like the perfect burgundy red color, and this wave pattern, this kind of like loose wave curly type of pattern is very nice as well too. Now obviously I left it in the side part. I love how it comes side part. So I wanted to kind of show it to you guys in this side part so that you can just style exactly the way I did, taking it straight out the box. So I didn't really do that much. I didn't do nothing to this unit. All I did is cut a little baby here and that's it, okay? That's it. Add a little powder to it and that's it. Straight to the point, guys. Now let me show you guys how this unit is a glueless unit, okay? Let me go ahead. So I did go ahead and lift the unit up so you guys can see this is the tape on the air tab area. And like I said, make sure you clean the surface so that you have a very, very nice stick to it. Now I'm gonna show you guys, once I put this back down, it's very, very glueless. So the tape is just there just for reinforcement on the air tab section. So you can pull this unit off, the next day put it right back on and it's gonna lay flat. Put it back down and press your finger down and you're back to having a glueless wig. That's it. And again on this side too, because this side has a little baby here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna lift it up, put it right back down, and we have a glueless unit. That's it. And obviously this part's not glued. I'll go ahead and show you. I lift that part up too and put it back down. Like, hello. Like wig wear. Like, very nice, guys. If you do not want to glue or spray units down and you just want to put the unit down pretty much glueless, the little tape on the side is not going to hurt your hairline. It's a very nice simple tape, and you just put it on the edges just to keep the hairline down flat, guys, and then you got a wig to go. I did go ahead and do like a little baby hair here. It's kind of fluffy, and like I don't like it too plastic, so I kind of like it to just do its own thing like that. Y'all see that? And obviously you guys see on this side to the baby hair, just to like a little bit of a swig, nothing crazy. Very cute and simple, okay? So again, all you gotta do is lift it up and literally put it back down. And there goes your glueless wig right there. Just a little tape that does the job really nicely. Look at that. Okay? Don't we love a simple wig? Where have you ever seen a texture like this in a color? Where? KLAIYIHAIR. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair video, guys. Happy holidays to everyone. I will leave all the information down below, guys, including a coupon code. Make sure you guys don't miss out on any of the Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales KLAIYIHAIR has to offer. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.